Hey everyone, welcome back to Global AI Hustle. If you're looking to make money online in 2025, an AI side hustle could be your golden ticket. Today, we're diving into how to start a $1,000 a month AI-powered newsletter business, no experience needed. We'll cover using ChatGPT for killer content, Bing Image Creator for eye-catching visuals, and Substack for easy monetization. Let's turn your ideas into income. Strategy 1. Master content creation with ChatGPT. First strategy, leverage ChatGPT to generate high-quality content effortlessly. In the world of AI side hustles 2025, content is king and ChatGPT is your secret weapon for making money online. Start by picking a niche, something you're passionate about like tech gadgets, fitness tips, or sustainable living. This keeps your audience hooked and positions you as an expert. Next, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Prompt it with, "Give me 10 trending topics in your niche for 2025. It spits out fresh angles in seconds, saving you hours of research. Then, outline your newsletter. Ask ChatGPT, create a detailed outline for a 1,000-word article on topic, including intro, key points, and conclusion. This structures your content like a pro. Now, flesh it out. Feed the outline back to ChatGPT. Expand this outline into engaging SEO-optimized content with a conversational tone. It generates drafts that sound human. Tweak them with your voice for authenticity. To boost engagement, add value prompts like, "Suggest 5 actionable tips for topic that readers can apply immediately." This turns passive readers into loyal fans. Finally, optimize for SEO. Use ChatGPT to integrate keywords, incorporate terms like AI Side Hustle 2025 and make money online naturally into this article. Higher search rankings mean more subscribers and revenue. With ChatGPT, you can produce weekly newsletters in under an hour, scaling your AI side hustle without burnout. Strategy 2. Create stunning visuals with Bing Image Creator. Second strategy, amp up your visuals using Bing Image Creator to make your content pop and attract more eyes. Visuals are crucial for any AI side hustle 2025, especially when you're aiming to make money online through engaging newsletters. Bing Image Creator is free and powered by DALL-E, so head to Bing.com Create and sign in with a Microsoft account. Start simple. For each article, generate header images. Prompt it with, "Create a vibrant, futuristic image of someone starting an AI side hustle 2025 in a cyberpunk style." It produces professional-grade art in minutes, no design skills required. Customize for your niche. If your newsletter is on fitness, try illustrate a person using AI tools to track workouts with motivational elements. Experiment with styles like realistic, cartoon, or abstract to match your brand. Enhance storytelling by adding infographics. Prompt, design an infographic showing steps to make money online with AI using icons and bold colors. This breaks down complex ideas visually, keeping readers scrolling. Don't forget thumbnails and social shares. Create eye-catching ones. Generate a thumbnail for a YouTube video on AI side hustles featuring dollar signs and tech gadgets. Use these to promote your newsletter on platforms like X or LinkedIn. To avoid repetition, vary prompts and iterate. If an image isn't perfect, refine, make it brighter and add text overlay. AI Side Hustle 2025. Always check for copyright. Bing's creations are yours to use commercially. Integrating these visuals can double your open rates, turning your AI side hustle into a visual powerhouse that drives subscriptions and sales. Strategy 3. Monetize with Substack. Third strategy, turn your content into cash flow using Substack for seamless monetization. This is the game changer for your AI side hustle 2025, helping you make money online passively. Substack is a platform for newsletters where you can build, grow, and earn from your audience. Sign up at Substack.com, it's free to start. Set up your publication. Choose a catchy name like AI Hustle Insights and customize with your Bing-generated logo. Write a compelling about page. Join for weekly tips on AI Side Hustles 2025 and ways to make money online. Grow your list organically. Share free issues on social media, Reddit, or forums. Use ChatGPT to craft promo posts, write a Twitter thread teasing my latest newsletter on AI tools. Aim for 1,000 free subscribers first, offer value to convert them. Now monetize, enable paid subscriptions at $5 10 month, provide exclusives like in-depth guides or early access. Substack handles payments, taking a 10% cut, you keep 90%. Diversify revenue, add one-time paid posts or tiers. For example, a $20 premium edition on Advanced AI Side Hustle Strategies 2025. Integrate affiliates, promote tools like ChatGPT Plus via links, earning commissions. Track and optimize. Substack's analytics show open rates and growth. Use insights to refine content. Ask ChatGPT, analyze this data and suggest improvements. Scale up, collaborate with other creators or run ads. Many hit $1,000 a month within 6 months by consistently delivering AI-powered value. Remember, consistency is key. Post weekly to build trust and recurring income. There you have it, your blueprint to a $1,000 a month AI side hustle in 2025. Use ChatGPT for content, Bing Image Creator for visuals, and Substack to monetize and make money online. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Global AI Hustle for more AI tips, and comment AI Hustle below for a free starter template. Check the link in the description to sign up for Substack and kickstart your journey. Thanks for watching, see you next time.